Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how can remove vendor name from collections page in Shopify Dawn Theme. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your theme, and I'll show you how you can do that. So go to your online store, themes, and then edit theme. Then what you'll need to do is right here, select on the drop down menu, then select collections, select on the default collection, or if you have a custom one, select on that one. Right here you'll see I have product grid, and what we basically need to do is click on the product grid. We can do that on the left side too, and right here you'll find vendor, so you can turn it off right here or turn it on. So basically turn it off, and then you will be good to go. Make sure to save the changes, and that's basically it. So have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below for the algorithm. See you in the next one.